Hello friends! Today we're cooking up a delicious pasta paired with a crisp salad. First, grab a frying pan and add a splash of olive oil. Then toss in 10 ounces or 300 grams of minced pork. Let it sizzle for about 5 minutes until it's browned and cooked through. Friends, if you enjoy my content, subscribe to the channel to receive notifications about new similar recipes. While the pork is cooking, finely chop 1 onion. Friends, please write in the comments what country and city are you from? It's very nice to know that we can communicate all over the world. Add onions to the pan with the pork and let everything cook together until the onions are soft and translucent. Also finely chop 2 cloves of garlic. Add them to the pan with the pork and onions. Next, add in 4 ounces or 120 grams of canned tomatoes and mash them up with a fork. Season it with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Pour in half a cup of warm water. Give it a good stir. And let it simmer for 10 minutes to let all those flavors meld together. While the bolognese sauce is simmering, it's time to cook our spaghetti. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add a pinch of salt. And cook 8 ounces or 250 grams of spaghetti until it's al dente according to the package instructions. Add some olive oil. Once cooked, drain the spaghetti and toss it into the pan with the bolognese sauce. Give everything a good stir and let it sit for 5 minutes to allow the flavors to marry. While our spaghetti is soaking up all that delicious sauce, let's whip up a quick salad. Chop up half a head of Chinese cabbage. Two tomatoes. One cucumber. One red bell pepper. And a handful of black olives. Add in 4 ounces or 120 grams of cubed feta cheese. And a bunch of finely chopped parsley. For the dressing mix together, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Pour the dressing over the salad and give it a good toss. And there you have it, friends. A hearty and wholesome meal that's sure to satisfy the whole family. Friends, if you enjoy my content, subscribe to the channel to receive notifications about new similar recipes. Let's dig in and enjoy.